So how do you adjust your landing page for iPad specifically? Let me just quickly talk about the general rules that we have for this. So if you are new on this channel, most definitely subscribe for more iPad tips. But anyways, the general point of having a landing page for your iPad is to focus on the mobile design only. Like, I know iPads are getting more to the computer state, but still the mobile design wins as it's a touch screen based UI, right? So you need to make sure that the buttons, links, and forms or whatever is going on the screen are large enough and spaced adequately for easy tapping. So a lot of people use like the mouse or cursor on their iPad, but the vast majority still uses their finger and touch UI to go and navigate around the iPad. So the easy tapping is much better than focusing on the computer interface. There are also some tools like Webflow or Framer, which you can use for this particular purpose. You can go ahead and look it up like that. And these tools will allow you to set up a template or create your own custom landing page with this intention of mine, right, to have the large buttons and everything, right? So this is just a quick guide. I'm trying to share some tools which kind of have worked in the past with. I don't really produce too many websites, but I have done some for my product. So let me know what you think about this below. If you have something very specific, let me know about that in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later.